Let's build a simple walk-in pantry that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's make a cardboard box starting with a 2x2 brick. Let's place some slopes on top of the brick for a partially opened box. These are going to be like the flaps. Now let's make 2 of these. Now for some jars, take a 1x1 round brick. We're going to place a 1x1 round flat tile right on top. We're going to need to make 15 of these in total of various different colors. Now let's take a 1x1 nose cone. We're going to place a 1x1 round flat tile right on the top. This will make a nifty ketchup bottle. We can make a few more for mustard. So let's make 4 of these in total. For our cereal boxes, let's take a 1x1 brick, place a 1x1 flat tile right on top. Make sure this is lined up. We're going to make 6 of these. We're going to make them in various colors. For a square jar, take a 1x1 brick, place a 1x1 flat tile right on the top that's round. We're going to make 4 of these in various colors. For the base of the pantry, start with a 6x8 plate. We're going to place 3 1x6 plates around the top portion as well as the left and right hand sides. In this area, 3 1x2 flat tiles. We're going to start on our tile floor, and we're going to fill the remaining area with 6 2x2 jumper plates. Now let's begin our first layer of wall, starting with a 1x4 brick. Let's surround that with a pair of 1x2x2 bricks and a pair of 1x4 bricks. Let's build up the second layer of wall with 3 1x6 bricks. Now let's take our 2 cardboard boxes. We're going to place them down on the jumper plates. Now you can place these any way you wish. I'm just going to randomly throw them in here. Now let's start our first shelf with 4 2x4 plates. We're going to place 2 in the back as well as 2 on the sides. Let's add a second layer of brick starting with a 1x4 brick. Surround that with a pair of 1x2x2 corner bricks and a pair of 1x4 bricks. Now let's secure our shelves with 3 1x6 plates. Now we're going to take several of our containers that we made and we're going to start populating the shelf. Let's add our second shelf starting with a pair of 2x4 plates. Place them right on top, and 2 more 2x4 plates, one on both left and right hand sides. Now let's add our next layer of brick starting with a 2x4 brick followed by a pair of 1x2 corner bricks and a set of 1x4 bricks. And lock those together with 3 1x6 plates. Now let's populate this shelf with more containers, starting with a 1x1 container and a 1x1 round container. Now for our third shelf, we're going to place a pair of 2x4 plates on the back as well as 2x4 plates on the sides. Now we're going to secure these with 3 1x6 plates. Let's add our last level of brick, starting with a 1x4 brick and a pair of 1x2x2 corner bricks, followed by 1x4 bricks for the sides. And let's crown off the top of the pantry with 6 1x6 flat tiles. Now let's populate the last shelf with more containers, starting with a 1x1 container. And this concludes the tutorial for the walk-in pantry. Here I have Jay the Surfer. As you can see, he can easily anchor down on the jumper plates, and he can just look at the stuff on the shelves. This is just for visual appearance. It really doesn't serve any function except just to fill in a open space in a kitchen,